Now that's yummy. Your favorite onto the pizza. Drag your favorite toppings onto the pizza.
Try to eat your food. can we be reconciled to God and made holy for God. For God. Good.
Hello. Hello. It's okay. Daddy, let's go down. Let's go down.
One that will win will win.
Tapos, Peter, so that you thought that I'm below.
Nye.
And then I go behind.
Maraming humihinto dyan eh.
Because the next verse is connected with this command. Love God with all your heart, soul, and mind. The greatest commandment. But look at the grammar. Look at the next verse. The second is like it. You evaluate. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. On these two commandments depend the entire law and the prophets. You know what Jesus is saying? The greatest commandment is to love God. When you love God, you will love your neighbor. They are interconnected. People around you that are imperfect. This Market Out Seminar, again and again, I'm inviting you again. If you have not attended the marriage seminar with men, you will notice the different stages of marriage. First stage, romantic. Wow. You look at the moon. You look at the mirror
Daddy, when you look at
and ask yourself this question. What do you feel with God? That's my friend. Is the Bible. What do you if you put unconditional commitment towards imperfect people. Number 3, to seek their highest, you know,
At tingin mo ako?